Hi, this video is going to be on the theme of honour in Much Ado About Nothing. Now, Leonato is a character whose honour is very important to him, and we see this through his reaction to Hero being publicly shamed by Claudio. So instead of showing compassion towards his daughter, he says that death is the fairest punishment for her shame, meaning that death would be a fair punishment for her dishonouring his family. And one of the reasons that he feels so strongly about this is because she is no longer a virgin, and this shows that his view of his honour and Hero's honour is very patriarchal. And of course, Hero is unable to defend herself and ends up faking her own death as a consequence of being stripped of her honour. And also with Claudio, we see a similar kind of patriarchal view of honour. So he shows remorse and begs for forgiveness from Leonato, whereas he doesn't show Hero the same respect and desire to be forgiven when they reconcile later in the play. And this is sort of similar for Don Pedro, who instantly believes Claudio and defends him rather than thinking about Hero's honour. And of course we see Benedict oppose this. He defends Hero's honour despite him, of course, at the beginning of the play appearing very ego-driven. So hopefully you can see how honour is important to the various characters in the play. Thanks for listening.